Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Let us analyze each statement one by one. Statement 1. Bridgehead halides are inert towards both S_N1 and S_N2 reactions till one of the ring size is 8-member ring. For S_N2, bridgehead carbons are sterically inaccessible from the backside due to the rigid bicyclic framework, making backside attack impossible. Hence inert to S_N2. For S_N1, formation of a carbocation at a bridgehead position is disfavored by Brett's rule. The carbocation cannot achieve planarity overlap with adjacent bonds due to the ring constraint unless one of the rings is large enough, 8-membered or larger, to relieve strain. Hence inert to S_N1 under normal ring sizes. Statement 1 is correct. Statement to the first step in both S_N1 and E_1 reactions is the same. Both S_N1 and E_1 are unimolecular reactions. In both cases, the first, rate-determining, step is the ionization of the substrate to form a carbocation intermediate. The carbocation can then either be attacked by a nucleophile, S_N1, or lose a proton, E_1. Statement 2 is correct. Statement 3. S_N2 reactions proceed with total retention of configuration. S_N2 reactions proceed via a backside attack, Walden inversion, which results in inversion of configuration, not retention. Retention of configuration is not the outcome of S_N2. Statement 3 is incorrect. Statement 4. E_2 eliminations are favored by the use of a solvent of low polarity and high concentration of a strong base. E_2 is a bimolecular elimination. High concentration of a strong base promotes E_2. The base abstracts a beta proton simultaneously with leaving group departure. Low polarity solvents favor elimination over substitution because polar solvents stabilize ions, favoring S_N1, S_N2, while less polar solvents favor the concerted E_2 pathway. Statement 4 is correct. Correct statements 1, 2, and 4 answer choice A. Why other options fail? B. 1 and 3. Statement 3 is wrong, S_N2 gives inversion, not retention. C. 2, 3 and 4. Statement 3 is wrong. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Statement 3 is wrong. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.